wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind.
Let's get them dollars. Let's get this money. Keep my mind on my mind on my money, money on my mind. I got my finger on the trigger, staying on the grind. And when I wake up in the morning, I got to hit a lick. Saw the 2003 Navi on sprees with a kick. Soon as my eyes see the sunshine, my thoughts is juking the block and dodging the one time. Peep how we moving them rocks and what pounds of dope before I double my shit. I can serve 16 ounces for 6 and get back 96. A killer for the skrilla, nigga. Dust I be stalking, I got to get them bigger figures. Fuck what you talking, I represent them niggas ballin' with jewelry full of sickles. Down to the niggas chasing millionaire dreams, serving nickels. And I know one day I gon' come up, and when you see me, don't hate when I roll up. Get paid whether you legit when you slang or tipping off cane. Until I take a dip in the range, I'm flipping them things. Gotta get that money, man.
Day, just got paid, stack it up, be on my way. Lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. It's a lovely day, just got paid, stack it up, be on my way. Lovely day, lovely day, lovely day.
A hustler's definition is a hustler for scratch. You serve a motherfucker, you serve him for that. I'm making money off of verses when I spit them on tracks. And if I ain't selling no records, I'm serving them packs. I got a clip full of hollows, money making's my motto. Semi-auto with my blows in the bottle till I hit the lotto. With dreams of owning the record label, flipping words. My nigga flipping buildings better than he was flipping birds. I got the mentality and the motive, I'm on the mission. For the money you can get it too. It's all about your ambition, play your position, provide the plans and follow procedures. And the 600 gun it with a pocket full of hundreds and visas. Love when I get that done. Hit him up, recop, then I get back up. Love when I get that gig.